Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Fireboltt BE1200 True Wireless Stereo Earphones. Now we are looking at the front side of the packaging where we can see what the product looks like. And on the top left corner, you can see that it supports Bluetooth 5.0. That's something that they'd like to point out quite clearly. On the front side of the packaging, you can see they've mentioned something called touch control impact, which means the true wireless earphones have touch controls. And on the top side, you see the different color options that are available. On the back, you can see some of the specifications being mentioned, namely the battery capacity of the individual earphones happen to be about 45 milliamp hours, and the charging battery, that's what's inside the case, is rated for 400 milliamp hours. So the playback time is about 3 to 5 hours, and the effective playtime, that's dependent on charging it within the case over and over again without actually plugging a wire into the case, that's 20 hours. In order to charge the device, you get about full charge in 2 hours, and the standby time, once you do charge it, is up to 120 hours. Over here, you can find the contact information for the manufacturer or the importer, and on the bottom right, you can see it's compatible with different iOS and Android devices. So let's go ahead with the unboxing. First, there's a little note that gives you 3 months of free subscription by visiting a URL that's given on the back side. This is the subscription for Ghana. It's a music streaming app. Then you have the user manual for the Fireboltt True Wireless earbuds. Always read through the manual to understand exactly how to operate the device properly. Then you have a couple of more cards inside, each of them for a certain reason. First one is a little brochure of all the different products that are available within the Fireboltt family. Then there's something called a Fireboltt Play App membership. So you can scan the QR codes to get the app from the Play Store, and there are multiple features on the app. Then you have a card requesting that you should register your device for claiming warranty. The last thing is a little freebie, which is for Book My Show. So scan the QR code on the back end side to get a free movie voucher for Book My Show. Then there's the accessory box. This thing comes with the charging cable as well as some silicone tips for the earbuds. Usually the silicone tips are provided in small and large sizes. That's because the medium ones come pre-installed on the earbuds. Charging cable is quite rigid, and this is about 25 to 30 centimeters long. It uses a USB, micro USB interface on one end and a USB type A interface on the other. And finally, you have the case for the Fireboltt BE1200 earphones, true wireless earphones. Here you can see each of the earbud. There are contact points on the bottom, which make contact with the spring-loaded prongs on the inside. That's how these things get charged. And once you do open it up, you can see the charge indicator LED on the bottom. There are 4 LEDs in sequence. And on the back side, you have a micro USB interface. That's where you insert the charging cable to charge your device. So that's it for the unboxing of the Fireboltt BE1200 True Wireless earbuds. Thank you for watching.